Hello everyone, my name is Savannah Bond and I am Director of Operations for the HGTV and E-Featured Louie Ortiz group. Today I'm just going to be reviewing a common problem we've been having with quite a few of our clients, and that is properly signing a DocuSign that requires a password. So one thing to distinguish before we get started is the difference between passwords and access codes. So when you receive a document from DocuSign and it asks for an access code before you can sign, that code was actually created by the sender, and the sender must give that specific code to the receiver in order to open and sign the document. Now, when you receive a document from DocuSign and it asks you for a password, that means you already have a DocuSign account and it's requiring you to log in before you can sign anything. Now, if you're thinking to yourself, I've never created a DocuSign account before, I certainly don't have a password, well, if you've ever signed anything in DocuSign before, you may have unintentionally created an account when you saved a previous document. So now back to the original problem. If you receive a document from DocuSign and it's asking you for a password in order to sign it and you don't know what the password is, all you would do, for example, I receive this DocuSign. I click on it, I want to sign it, I'm reviewing it, but it's requiring me to log in and I don't think I have an account or a password. I would simply just press this Forgot Password button. They're going to send me an email to the same email address that I received the original document. And I'm just going to put in the verification code that they sent me. Now once I confirm that code, it'll accept it. I can sign in with a new password. And probably best that you make it something that you'll remember. And once you save it, you can then sign in or go back to the email, the original email that was sent to you. Then type in your new password again. And now it'll bring you to the document. So then once you're on this page, you've reset up a password, you'll be able to agree and sign and save. Now just to review what we just went over, this was just to explain what happens when you receive a document and it's asking you for a password. You may have accidentally created an account in the past and not realized it. So all you have to do is simply recreate a new password by pressing the Forgot Password button, set up a new password, and then you will be able to access that document and sign. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, check out one of our other training videos.